offering. So when I hear, I know what I've heard. It was the same tongue who said that Laurent Gbagbo's wife would not spend even 5 years in jail. When Ivory Coast court say 20 years. God is talking, you say court is talking. It's the same God though, that I heard and say, Laurent Gbagbo, he's coming back home. I thought he was just coming. He's now part of those contesting for the election. So God did not only release him from jail, he released him to go and contest again. But whether he will win or not is another question. We'll look at who will win the Ivorian election in the next mantles and impartation service. That one we'll look at who has already won. So that if some of them can keep their money, they keep it. Remind me to call Bagbo's daughter. Let me tell her something in private.
Yes, sir.
When I am done telling her something in private, then I'll come here and tell you everything in public. I'm not saying Bagbo has won, no. So because I said I'm going to talk to her in private, you say, man of God, I have not said anything. I said I'll come and tell you. The next mantles and impartation will be, let me see the date. Unya, talk to your pastors so that they will help me. My brepa will be on the 22nd of March. Will be on the 22nd of March. So then I think by the 22nd of March, I would have released the video of what is going to happen in 2028. Some people have already watched it. Some watched it as far back as December. Some people have come and watched it. Everybody say I should get. Julian, have you watched it yet? I told you the first half. I've not told the second half. Oh, I can send a video to you. When I send, if you won't send anywhere, I can send it to you. Know that you are my party. I can send it to you. So I'll send it today. So you can know it won't go anywhere. When I release it, you can release it. Yeah. What's going to happen? 2028. Who and who are coming? So that you can strategically find a way to. But the 2028 election is serious. So, have you seen the hourglass? You know the hourglass? You know the hourglass? Always think about, when you think about 2028, think about the hourglass. Do you understand? Or you still don't understand what I'm saying? No, I'm just saying that the 2028 election will be like the hourglass. Bring me the hourglass in my office. No, I'm just trying to tell you how the 2028 election will look like. It will look like the hourglass. So, have you seen the hourglass? Have you seen? That's how 2028 election is like. Oh. I wish I can explain this to you. But those I've explained to them, they know what I've explained. This 2028 election, it's like the hourglass. Hey, it being said that it has never happened in the history of the politics of this nation. Where an election will be like hourglass. It has never happened. That's how it's going to be like. Do you understand? Can you interpret this, man of God? If God shows you this, you can interpret it. Seer. The only seer. Can you interpret it? Prophet, can you interpret it? Yeah, $1,000. If you interpret it, $1,000. You can try it. Prof, can you interpret it? The margin. It's not about margin. It has nothing to do with margin. Can you interpret it? It's not about margin. No, not that it will turn. The result comes small. No, it will not come small. The 2028 election is like the hourglass. 22nd March, I will go into it. By that time, because Stephen, you remember the video? The Lord said, number one, there was a chair, and on that chair, bring me a chair. Let me explain. push this one back a little bit. And bring this chair. Look, no, this one look a presidential chair than this one. So when I call you, come and take this one back. So I'm just showing you something, but I won't mention names. So, no, you the way you are too gentle. Sit down. I want. Oh, sit down. You are still here. I said, sit down. You are still looking at my place. Who is not that gentle? Okay, so 2028 election. This is what I saw. A man from the right side. You know, we have right wing and left wing. So whatever you understand, we leave it like that. So this man came and sat down. Immediately he sat down, he got up and hold this side. Hold it with your two hands. And he held it. As he sat down, he got up and he started holding here. Then come. So this one also came and held. No, the one is too big. So while this one was holding here, come. Another person came. Come, pass here. I see what this one is looking for. This one also wants the same thing. It's looking here. Come. And this one was holding here. So it's like 3 against 1 here. Then come. This one come and is behind them. Masa. And this one is behind them. So it's like 4, but 3 in front, 3 leading against 1. And this side begin to call someone to come. Come. So by the time this one does not even get there and the vision ends. And the Lord said, in the month of March, I will tell you how the election will be like. So this is AK. Put it at the back of your mind. This is AK. This is AB. This AB. This is an insect. This is an insect. This is J. This is the letter J. Or this is J. This is IH. This is IH. This is BO. That's how. This is MPP side. This is NDC side. You can go and do whatever with what I have said. So remember AB. Remember AK. Remember insect. Remember J. I can help you with J and add something to it. But when I add something, it will be too clear. So we leave J like this. Then this is IH. And this is BO. Very nice. See, we trust God to talk about conclusion of issues. We trust God to talk about that 18th September 2021 was when I told him what will happen in 2024. So me, by the grace of God, I trust God, speak way ahead of time. So I leave out because me, I'm not a politician. I am not for NDC. I am not for NPP. NPP know their political prophet. NDC know their political prophet. Me, I'm a prophet of God. The only party I belong to is money. That's right. So that's how it's going to be. So thank you very much. So when we meet in March, I will give you the names to all of this by the grace of God. And I will show you who will sit on the chair now. And I will explain why the 2028 election is like the hourglass. I will explain why it is like the hourglass. And I was telling somebody, if they don't want this one to happen, they should pray. Because on this side, one of them from 1 to 100. 1 is the starting point, 100 is the highest. The first one, the inset, is around 89. 89. And there is nobody in the party who is even around 49. Nobody. So, but you see, let me leave some things. So I said, if some people want to become, what is the destiny of the former vice president? What's the destiny of former vice president? The destiny of the former vice president, by what I have seen, there are 2 windows for him if you have to become president ever. That is, even if it will happen. But if it must happen, he must go and look for AK and tell AK, can I join you so that I become your running mate, so that when AK come 1, he can come 2. See, it's political consultation I'm giving you free of charge. But that's not why I came here, so let me.
Wait there, a different way you saw some come.